Hi everyone, Totally Dubbed here. I'm going to make a little quick review on the Logitech K350. Recently I bought a brand new keyboard, and here it is. It's a great keyboard, slightly big on the bigger side though, however does quite a lot of things. Now I'm just going to quickly go over some quick features. Here we've got a document flip button, which is quite big if you compare it to the size of my finger. A zoom button. Over here you've got a gadgets button, pictures button, your media controls for your Windows Media Player, so that's just muted it. Music library and media center. Over here you've got your FN keys. It's Word, Excel, calendar, 3 programmable keys, ABC, Internet Explorer, Messenger, Outlook, Windows Search, a battery checker which basically does that. Lets you check how much battery you've got left, and that eject. If I click the eject button on my computer, it opens it up, so I'll click that again. It's pretty nifty, pretty good for gamers, I would think. If people are getting lazy. So of course, all of these keys are programmable. Just 2 more keys I forgot. Here's a calculator button and a PC off button. All of these settings that I just described here are all programmable on the Setpoint Logitech software that is provided with this, or that can be downloaded from anywhere. One thing to note is that this is quite cool. It has 2 different levels. One is 4-inch and one is 8-inch. Well, I think it's 4. No, it's not 4-inch. Wait, 4 degrees. Sorry, and 8 degrees. Well, that's what it says. So it opens up like that, or you can go the full length like that. I personally like the 4, which is quite cool. So yeah, that's that. Another thing which was quite cool, which came with this the keyboard, was the batteries. Now usually you get cheap batteries, but not with this one. I got Duracell batteries. Now you might argue that Duracell isn't good, but in my opinion, from my experience, Duracell batteries have always been the best. So yeah, first of all, I just want to say that the size of it is actually quite big. For example, I'm typing like that. Although it's very comfortable, I'm not sure of the material here, but it's slightly soft. The design of it is flawless in my opinion. I'm going to try and show you that straight up. Now, if you can see that, the wave, that is where G is, and so you can see that's perfectly straight, but there has a little kink over there. If you look at it, you can see the wave as well. That's a straight, me holding it straight, so look, and you can see the wave like that. It's really useful and really cool. Obviously, it is a wireless keyboard, as you've seen, the wires attached, and in terms of wireless, it being wireless, it's got a wireless receiver, which is a really tiny thing. That little thing there, can you see it's a little USB? This is a unifying USB made by Logitech. Basically what it does is, if you've got any other Logitech keyboards, mice, anything, they all use the same receiver. Basically, you don't have to have 10 different receivers. Unfortunately, for example, for my MX Revolution, it hasn't got the unifying software logo, unlike the K350, which does. There it is, that's a unifying logo. It's quite useful, I think, for future. It's kind of future-proof, which allows it, like, if you're a fan of Logitech like myself, it allows you to allows you to have several Logitech things all attached to one receiver. Also, with the package contents, I got a little extension cord. The other side of this plugs into the back of my computer, and it's a USB. It's basically extended USB port, which is very useful in my opinion. I've used it anyway, although I don't need to because my computer is just down there. But for people which have a computer which is further distance, it's really useful. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you a bit of the set point technology. I'm going to see if I can try and show you. The installation process was very easy, took about 5 minutes or something. Here you see that's my MX Revolution, and that's my keyboard. And let's see if you can see this. Well, over here it says application switcher, and just different things you can do on your keyboard, and you can just set these to whatever you want. Now, if you remember correctly, I told you that this top bit is gadgets, pictures and things. You can assign the different documents. So I'm going to press pictures. It's going to open my pictures directory. If I press this, which I've assigned to media player, it opens media player. And this one I've assigned to iTunes. iTunes takes a lot longer to load, so let's see when it comes up. Yep, there you go, that's iTunes. So you can assign all of these buttons. For example, these FN keys over here, I have assigned this one to my Asus Xonar D1. There you go. I think this one's Mozilla Firefox. Yep, that's correct. And this one's Skype, which I won't open. Internet Explorer, which is Google Chrome for me. MSN Messenger. Email, which is Outlook. There we go. And search, again, Google. Websites. So you can see the speed of it was really quick. The use of it was also very quick. It just makes it really convenient for you if you want to just open things quick. Like I know I open my pictures gallery quite a lot. Just press one button, it's opened. Now you saw that I clicked that instead of holding FN and clicking it. There is a thing on setpoint which allows you to do that. Basically it allows you not to hold down then click, unless you like to use the FN keys, then fair play. But like if you're a gamer, then you'd want to use them. But if you don't, then for example like me, I'm not gaming on a PC, so I have prevented myself from constantly clicking the FN and then a key. I just have to click the key, if you see what I mean. And yeah, also this button, the off and on button, I've disabled just because it's just annoying in case someone clicks it by accident. And then calculator, obviously. There you go. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope I haven't been too boring. Obviously, I will put the package contents in the info. If you're watching on normal quality or in HD or high quality, it'll be a bit down there. And please do rate and comment and subscribe if you want to as well. Alright, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope I haven't bored you too much with Steve Smart on Kiss 100 playing in the background. Thank you very much.